Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply vertical transition in CapCut PC so easily. And I think this is video for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. Yeah, you are just going to click menu on the top, select settings, edit, and set for image duration in 1.0 second and just click set. Alright, so select your elements. I'm going to select images, 5 images to the right, and go to transition, and you can select blur and select vertical blur just for the duration in 0.3 second and apply to all the clip. Go to Pike, select the night club. Alright, you can select the flicker. Just download it. Add to track just duration for the speed in 20. Alright, so you can also add the camera shake, range 20 and the speed in 10. Alright, this is the final effect you'll have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.